Guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to fix Snapchat login error. So if you are trying to log into your Snapchat account, and if you actually can't able to log into your Snapchat account and you see an error message, so how you can actually fix this. So we don't need Snapchat for this. We will actually go onto the Google here and we will type Snapchat support form, and we will tap on the first link here and then wait for it to open up. Then we will tap on I can't access my account, and then below we will tap on that I see an error message when I log in. And after tapping on this one, it will actually show you some of the methods that you can actually try out to get your account back. And if it still does not help, you will tap on yes here where it says still need help. Tap on yes, and then you have to like complete this form, enter your name, email, mobile number, device, and then you can actually add the description to the Snapchat team that you are unable to access your account. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.